So in this tutorial, I'm going to specifically talk about if you have letters that are the same and you need to use more than one of them. Like, let's see if you have two I's or two O's or whatever. And how do you go about having them together into one scene? Well, let's say for example, I go File, New. Alright, brand new file. I'm gonna go File, Import this letter I. Right, I'm gonna import it. But like I've shown in my other videos, again, this is just refreshing it, refreshing what I stated before, and also as a safety measure. Under the options for your import, you select your file. You want to click here, merge into selected namespaces and rename incoming objects that match. Basically, this will prevent when you import things, the default settings makes it so that whatever you import, it includes the name of the file into the actual asset. It just makes the name longer and it's really annoying. So you just click on merge this, blah 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 blah. That's all you gotta do. Import. See here, now you have the letter I, and you notice that it's not, some convoluted long name and then saying I main group, right? But then now let's say, so okay, so here it is, right? It has the controller layer. It has the bones layer. It has the mesh layer. By the way, just as a reminder, right? Have these. For each of your letters, have these set up. And I'm going to even color it. Have your bones set to reference, have your mesh set to reference. Again, just another reminder. Now let's say you need another I. I go to File, Import, choose that letter, same thing, merge into, select the namespace, blah 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 blah, import. Now you notice it brought the same thing over, literally on top of it, but it says group 1 to help distinguish it between the other one, the previous one, original. I'm going to just say, for example, crack that open for the original, right? I'm going to grab the global controller. There you go, there it is. And this one, which is here, I'll put it here. Grab this one, I'll put it here so that you can neatly see it. And that's how you import it. And then what you can do, right? I mean, this is having the one there will differentiate it, but just to be safe, you could go in and put like a little one afterwards, and then I mean, it's probably not even necessary, but and let me see here. I'm right now just thinking about what can I name it. So I just put a 1 here, and then maybe I can put a 1 like that. And here maybe I can put another 1. This will continue that trend, right? Just putting a 1. Ever in case perhaps something happens, unlikely though, because they're self-contained. The fact that they're self-contained will prevent any potential issues, unless you do something ultra complicated that will complicate and confuse Maya between these two. But like I said, having the groups alone makes it all self-contained and they have their own name, and like what I just showed right now, just putting a 1 at the end, 1 over here, and 1 over here, that even further makes more of a safeguard so that Maya doesn't get, you know, even remotely confused. Not that it will happen, because I already tested it out. It works out fine. But you notice here that then it brought over the same, you know, display layer stuff, but put a 1, 1, and 1. Just a means of, you know, not getting confused and overwriting the other previous file. I mean, the previous display layers or whatever. And I can just give it a different color. I don't know, like maybe something like nice purple color. And there. Yeah, you could do that. And it'll work out fine. For example, if I get this, if I grab this, and let's say I, you know, test it out, set a keyframe. This is the second one, right? Set a keyframe 1, go to frame, I don't know, 24, scoot it over, right? This is with the COG. Grab this one, set a keyframe on 1. I have my auto keyframe on. Go to 24, maybe have it follow along like that. See? And then maybe I'll grab, say, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Set a keyframe, go to 24, set another keyframe. Maybe I'll make it swing like this, you know, like, and then maybe I'll grab, say, like, I'm going off tangent, but I'm just showing that if it works. I grab this one, hit S on 24, go to frame 1, hit S, and then I'll go forward, and then I'll get a rotate here, like that. Maybe a little bit less. Also, you know, they're sliding into the picture. Yeah. And then if I want, maybe I'll give it a little up. Maybe I'll give this one a little up. Oh, that looks stupid. And then maybe I'll put a little drop on the Y, drop down the Y. I mean, this is horrible animation, but you know, like I said, I'm just showing that it works, you know. And then you can go into the animation editor, graph editor, go into the translate Y, and then do this. Obviously, you need to break tangents, right? And then say grab this one, go into the Y, and then do that, and do that, and then douche. Anyway, so yeah, as you can see, it works. So that's the end of that tutorial.